Today our topic is idioms. As you know that idioms, what is idiom? What are idioms? Idioms are those words which are different from the literal meaning. It means when you say something like it is raining cats and dogs. It is raining cats and dogs. What does it mean? It is raining cats and dogs. It means it is raining heavily. It is raining heavily. So you can find that the meaning of idiom is different from normal word, different from normal literary term. Now let us see some of the important idioms today. Because see, word meaning plays a vital role when you are learning English. So first idiom is a Herculean task. Herculean task means tough task. Herculean task means tough task. Any task which is tough to fulfill, tough to complete. कोई भी ऐसा टास्क जो पूरा करने में तकलीफ है, पूरा करने में प्रॉब्लम है, हार्ड है, उसे बोलते हैं हरकुलियन टास्क. हाउ विल यू मेक सेंटेंस? Like you can make sentence solving poverty problem is a Herculean task. Solving poverty problem is a Herculean task, means tough task. Second idiom is sleeping cats. As the name itself suggests, sleeping cats, it means something different from the literal words. It means speed breaker. It means speed breaker. Speed breaker means hums. So you can make sentence. While returning from Puri, I saw so many sleeping cats. It means when you are discussing about sleeping cats, it means speed breakers which you can regularly find on roads. So the sentence you can use, while returning from Puri, I saw so many sleeping cats. Our next word is at length. At length means in detail. At length means in detail. In detail means when you discuss something in detail, that is at length. It means he discussed his problem at length. He discussed his problem at length. So here at length means in detail. At length means in detail. So at length is an idiomatic expression. It means in detail. In the long run. Next idiom is in the long run. It means in long time. In long time. In the long run means in long time means English will help you in the long run. English will help you in the long run. Meaning is एक लंबे समय के अंतराल में, in the long run. So English will help you in the long run. Next word is in the pipeline. What is this in the pipeline? Means some planning is going on. Some planning is going on means something is not very clear when you are going to do certain things. This is called in the pipeline. Like you can say that approval of this project is in the pipeline. Approval of this project is in the pipeline means some planning is going on, something is not very clear, something is not final. That's why it is called in the pipeline. These words, these idioms are very much in use in day-to-day life. That's why every person who is learning English must learn these words. So in the pipeline means planning is going on. Approval of this project is in the pipeline. Next word is on the cards. On the cards means going to happen very soon. On the cards means going to happen very soon. It means it is not in the pipeline, not in the pipeline. It is going to happen very soon. So the sentence you can say is marriage is on the cards. I have made the sentence his marriage is on the cards. So it means something is going to happen very soon. Okay, so these are some words today we have discussed in idioms and phrases. Thank you all.